My name is Keri Walter, and I'm an occupational therapy student here at Missouri State University. To me, occupational therapy is helping someone achieve a more independent lifestyle and whatever's meaningful to them. A big part of our program is community service and reaching out. It's really cool to see just how easy it is to get involved and to help change lives. So we started the Safe to Swim program because drowning is the #1 reason why younger kids with autism or disabilities die. We teach them just the basic principles of how to swim, and the progression they make is really profound. I've participated in Miracle League before because my younger brother has autism, and so we would go and support and watch him, and you help them bat, run around bases. It's just a really cool feeling to see them participate in something that they love so much. We have a pro bono clinic, so we have clients from the community and we actually get to act as occupational therapists. It's the best occupational therapy program, and that is my biased opinion.